Hey guys, welcome back to the Music School. My name is Abhijith Hegde, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an instrument chain in Ableton. So let's begin. So we are going to start off by creating a MIDI track. You can use the shortcut Command-Shift-T in Mac or Control-Shift-T in Windows to create a MIDI track. Then for the next thing, I'm going to go into my instrument section within Ableton and I'm going to add an analog instrument. You can add whatever you want to. And now I'm going to select the instrument and I'm going to group it. Once again, the shortcut for Mac is Command-G. The shortcut for Windows is Control-G. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my chain window. So this section here is basically your chain window. I'm going to just click on that. And now I can add another instrument right below analog. For example, I can add an operator. I can also add third-party plugins. I can go into my audio units. I can add a massive if I wanted. So right now this is basically an instrument track that has an analog, an operator and a massive, and this is how it's basically sounding. You can obviously pan them. You can pan them left, right. You can also change waveforms, do whatever sort of sound design, advanced sound design you want to do. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and we are glad to let you know that we have moved to a new place. The link to the address is given in the description below, so do come visit us. Cheers, and I'll see you guys soon.